Hi there, welcome back to Changfan Learning. I'm Chang. If you have learned 你好吗, as in how are you in Chinese, try to forget about it now. While 你好吗 can be used as a greeting in Chinese, people can understand that you're showing care to them. But it is not the most common or authentic way to greet someone in everyday conversation. In Chinese culture, there is no fixed way to say how are you like there is in English. Instead, Chinese people typically use a variety of other phrases depending on the occasion, the relationship between the speakers, the level of formality, and the time of the day. Let me show you the most authentic way to say how are you in Chinese. In Chinese culture, sharing food is an important social activity that brings people together. Asking, have you eaten yet? 你吃饭了吗? Or 你吃了吗? is a common greeting among friends and family, and is often used as a way to show concern for the other person's well-being. It can also be a conversation starter that leads to in-depth conversations about each other's lives. For example, 你吃早饭了吗 means have you had breakfast yet, and is a common greeting in the morning. It can be used to express concerns for someone's well-being and to start a conversation about food and daily routines. Similarly, 你吃午饭了吗 means have you had lunch yet? It can be used to inquire someone's plans for the rest of the day and maybe to express hospitality by offering to share a meal. And the last one, have you had dinner yet, is 你吃晚饭了吗? 你吃晚饭了吗? And it's a common greeting in the evening. Other common ways to ask how are you in Chinese includes number 1, something 怎么样?怎么样? It's a more direct way to say how are you, and it can be used in a variety of contexts. For example, ask about lately event. Yesterday's meeting. 昨天的会怎么样? 昨天的会怎么样? Or date. 昨天约会怎么样? 昨天约会怎么样? How was yesterday's date? Or your friend just watched a new movie. You can ask them, 新电影怎么样? 新电影怎么样? And the next one is, 你最近怎么样? 你最近怎么样? This is a more specific way to ask how have you been recently, and is often used with 好久不见, 好久不见, as in long time no see. So you can say 好久不见,你怎么样? 好久不见,你怎么样? As in long time no see. How have you been recently? And the last one for today is 你干嘛呢? 你干嘛呢? This is a very authentic way to say what are you up to? What up? And it can be used as a casual greeting among friends. So it is important to consider the context and the relationship with the person you're greeting when choosing how to ask how are you in Chinese. The cultural significance and social functions of sharing meals and expressing concern for others remain an important part of Chinese society. I hope you enjoyed today's learning. If you have any questions, please leave your questions down below in the comment area. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.